again on a new video reaction. I just want to go through this video, through this post. You know, as you can see on your screen, it's being made by Nigerian Stories. But before then, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, comment and tell us what you think about what we're about to discuss. If you have not subscribed to our channels, our second channel, our backup channel, please subscribe. Yes, I shared a video of one of our sister last time here on this platform, and some of us have not support her by clicking on her videos and subscribing to her platform. You know, I made a video last time, you know, telling us the importance of supporting anybody that stands on the side of the truth. Please do as much as you can and support, because I posted her video also, and I can see that some of us have not through support or show some love. Please do so. It's very, very important. So without wasting much of your time, let's go through this post. As you can see on your screen, I have to bring it to you because it has to do with our people. They say that this man you are seeing here, they said is an Igbo person. As you can see on this one of Nigerian newspaper, Nigerian Stories. I don't know if it's a newspaper or just a news platform. So breaking news: the National Mosque Agoja appoints first Igbo Imam, Professor Iyasa Usman. Usman, who is the first professor of Arabic in Igbo land, has joined the ranks of the 3 existing imams of the National Mosque. Why I'm bringing this to us? Because the propaganda is coming left, right, and center. Everybody have something to say against Igbo people. Why I said against Igbo people? Because I know this is not it is not true. Okay, judging by the look of the man first, and not only by the look may be deceiving, but the name Professor Iyasa, I don't know the meaning of Iyasa, and Usman. Even if an Igbo man convert a Muslim, want to be in a Muslim person, at least he don't need to convert his surname. Like some people in the Christendom today that are pastor, mega pastors in Nigeria today that was well known, they are still maintain the Islamic background name, right? So I don't want, you know those I'm talking about. I don't want to start mentioning names, but if you don't know the name, please put it in the comment section, then I will answer you there. Why? Because I don't want to drag anybody on the video. Yes, because some people actually believe that when you are reacting on a video, or when you are trying to, explain something, that as long as you mention the name of anybody at all, they believe that you are actually making the video for the person, but it's not true. So having said that, looking at the man's face and his name, you can tell that he's not an Igbo person. I'm not saying that some people are not keen in to become a Muslim. That's not what I'm saying, and I'm not saying that that I have a control to tell anybody to believe on whatever he or she wants to believe. But the truth of the matter is that we don't need to lie for us to preach, to drag Igbo people to one particular thing that they themselves actually know that Igbos are not, somehow okay with that kind of religion because of the radicalism and actions, the kind of thing they're doing with their religion. So we all know that. Then I saw one of the comments. There's a comment on this post that I found very much interesting. And that comment, I hope I'm going to locate it now. Just bear with me. Let me scroll down. Yes, here it is. Omolade Adedoye. I hope I pronounced the name well. He's a Yoruba person. He said, "First time I will hear of Igbo man that is a Muslim." So even non-Igbo person understand that Igbos are not, in support of anyone bearing, claiming that he's a Muslim and all that. It's not because we hate Muslim people. We love you as a human being, but for us to say, okay, we have this, we have a Muslim brother, like some families in Yoruba land, you will see somebody, a father will be a Muslim, a mother will be a Christian. In some cases, Muslim families will have, Christian families will have one person or two that is a Muslim, and they will be living, they will live together. In East, you don't have such thing. And there's a reason for that. Okay, let's move to another thing. I want you to listen to what this northerner said in the One Nigeria. It will work. It will work. They will fix it. They will do that. Now, listen to this. I don't want to waste much of your time.
Goes to 1,005. Of May 29, 2023, what was the fuel cost that time? 140 per liter. 140, mind you, before I go to Igbo Square. When I get out from the Igbo Square, when they say the fuel subsidy is gone, when I come to Azuma, they say it's 600 already. So you can see the distance. Between the second, the result have changed. And rice from there changed to 110. Up to date, that is where it stands. What was the rice that time? 30,000. We are crying. Bag of beans, 30,000. Now, bag of beans goes for 250,000. Bread, there's no bread of 500 now. When we are buying a bread 200, that bread of 200 now goes to 1,005. The other one of 1,000 goes to 2,005. So what are we talking? Who is the cause? It means the masses who have voted the president, their vote doesn't count. Or it doesn't sympathize with the fucking board. If she have that, she must have just quiet for us. Because we are citizens, we are Nigeria, we have freedom to speak for ourselves. We have freedom to tell what it is happening. As far as I'm concerned, she don't have to even to say this. She wanted to donated 1 billion to Oni of Ife in the palace, and people at Maiduguri so far followed the old word they give. She did not donate anything to them. And why don't you donate that 1 billion while the husband was not the president? And mind you, this is the same person they budgeted 1.5 billion says she's maintaining her office. Which office? Do we vote her? Do we vote First Lady? It's not constitutional. It's unconstitutional. Anything First Lady is unconstitutional. It's not in our constitution. We don't vote her.
That the Hashim Nigerian are complaining. So don't you think the hyperinflation is global?
There is nothing like globally. Look, even Nigeria, they live softer more than we do. Even Mali, even the Burkina Faso, even Benin Republic, they softer you put to your people. They softer you made them to land in the soft target. But this is hardship is too much in Nigeria. Since with my age, I have never seen this type of a problem where you go up to a market and buy guinea corn 120,000 from 8,000 when the president come up, from 8,000 to 120,000, and you are telling me something because just tell me why the husband commission any road in the north for the 1 year. We agree it's not the cause. Where does he commission? The north as a vote to president is a regrettable.
More time.
How? Until we die? When you cannot see 1 square meal and you are telling me to time all the time, give me a time. We give a time of 1 year. He's giving a contract of 15 trillion from Lagos to Kalba when we don't have a single road that we can be motorable. From here to Kaduna, zero. From here to Kefi, zero. Look at even inside the town when you enter from Mararaba. Along that, there's a queue of goes to the deep hole that if you fall, maybe your 40 Kutoba will get out. Inside the town. What inside the town? Not even outside. Inside Nasara, when you're coming before you pass, you welcome to Abuja. Oh, look, we don't need to deceive ourselves. This is the worst government that we have ever seen in Nigeria.
This subsidy removal that Nigerians have been talking about, during the 2023 election, Concoso and all of them, they promised to remove this fuel subsidy.
When you are removing this fuel subsidy, you must have consult what will be impact before it. What is my impact? When you remove the fuel subsidy, what do you use the money for? Where is the money? Who is the position of that money? Where is the money? You remove the fuel subsidy, fine. You are not paying it. Then you use the move on the soft target. Buy food where the masses can be able to buy. Put the fuel where people can be able to buy food. Take a road inside city. There's no go-slow again. No traffic because people don't even they park their car. Tell me somebody said in Masaka, and the president is making even a pronouncement that he put a salary of 70,000. Nowhere in the world where they're paying a worker 70,000 minimum. Nowhere in the world. Even common Chad or Cameroon where they don't have even something in Chad, nobody is receiving less than 200. The lowest pay. Where you have 70,000 all the time, you say you put minimum to 70,000. Okay, you are giving me 70,000. I live in Masada, and they are paying 3,000 transport labor in Telecom 1.5 because of this fuel subsidy you cost for us. Then what is my salary? I have to borrow because when you put it times 30, that is 90,000. So 90,000 now, my salary is 70,000. So I have to go and borrow 30,000 to pay, which means my family and me, there's no feeding, no going to school. We remain where we are and they are working. I only hang ID cards, say I'm going to work. You will come out and the one will tell you, say this your work, guy is better, so that we'll be sending another thing in the house. It's not better. Is it me to pay that 70,000? It's better for a salary of a million or somebody who is suffering. Okay, how much will you buy a rice? Rice goes for go for 4,000. So how will you buy it? How your children can never taste right in the whole month because your transport alone have finished the money, even you need to borrow 30,000.
So Nigerians are still insistent that have been sponsored to make anti-government committee.
Who is that person can sponsor Gorolo? Who is the person? They don't want the person that can sponsor me. Me, I sponsor myself. I sponsor myself. Even when I was in the military, nobody sponsor me. Ask my record in the military. When they want to talk, I talk. I don't care whom you are. I don't care what it is. As long as it's for the masses. Me,
Okay, you have heard it all from this Northerner. You know, I want us to connect this because when Buhari was president of Nigeria, it is funny that the Northerner people, Northerners are now crying about Tinubu's regime. If you say that you know politics very, very well, Northerners you can see them. They are analyzing Tinubu's regime, how people are suffering and everything. But you did not hear them when Buhari was in the seat, right? 9jeria. You did not hear them at all. Now, somebody from Yoruba land is now in the power. All of a sudden, all of them can now analyze governance. You know, what good governance means. Buhari started it, Tinubu advanced it. And another person that will come, of course, we put it to another level. It will go nuclear. This is the country that people are telling you that they will fix it. You know, somebody like me, I understand that many of them, those ones that benefit from politics, politics or government of Nigeria, they don't like to hear anything division of Nigeria or to make it work, because what that means is to cut off their livelihood, what they consider to be their livelihood. You are cutting it off and they are not happy with it. You understand? So Tinubu regime is not dealing with them. You can hear him arguing that Tinubu commissioned road from Lagos to Calabar, but there's no road in the north. No, he have never commissioned any road in the north. Ask him, how many roads did Buhari commission in the south? Why I'm touching all those things, for you to understand that no matter how you pretend, no matter what you are getting now, at the end of it, you will still come back to division. Because when my brother is in power, I want everybody to keep quiet and clap for him. When your brother is in power, I'll be the one advocating of to remove him. Then ask yourself, what is the difference between what my criminal from my region is doing and what your criminal from your own region, what he or she is doing? They are all criminals. No matter how you pretend, no matter how you want to paint it, because Tinubu is a Yoruba man, nobody should talk about Tinubu. He's the best, he's this, he's that. When Buhari or another is in power, don't talk about it. Yeah, he's best, he's this, he's that. Then Igbo man is to support, to look around and say, oh, who will help us? Who will give? Are you going to give us a Minister of Works? Okay, we support you. Our own is to put our brother, just include us, so just a little bit, then we are good to go. That is what most of these people that are sabotaging are pushing. This is the country, right? And he said that he's a military man. Military man that he has served, and people know him, that he's very vocal and all that. I'm not against that. That could be his life, but the issue is that Buhari and Tinubu, there's no different. They are all the same. They are all the same. Anyway, my people, I don't want to waste much of your time. I just want to write on this and tell me what you think about it. See you again on the next one. Bye bye for now. Take care.